Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Rich back again with another quick video for Kiss Your Cable Goodbye. Today we got another Fire Stick. Please excuse and ignore the home is currently unavailable. What's going on right now is what we're going to go over. If you have a problem with your remote control not working with your Fire Stick, or you happen to buy another one and you need to connect it or reconnect your old one back to your Fire Stick, we're going to go over that today, and it's going to be really quick. So let's get started. See this here is this is the second generation Alexa remote, which this will also work on the first generation as well. And all you do, see this home button right here, hold it down, and then on these you have an actual LED light. So you hold it down for, like they say, 10 seconds. I count 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and do 15 seconds and count by Mississippi's. Ready? Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi. And I saw something light up. That didn't work. Perfect. All you do is try it again. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Let go when the light starts blinking. And remote failed to connect. Did not connect. And then we'll go to Amazon/product for support. So we'll try again. 6 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. There we go. Let it go. Remote connected. So you will have to do it more than once, just so you know. So let's see if it connected. Yes, it sure did. Network settings. Now I can go back and connect my little internet here, but just so you know, it is working. We got it going. That's all you gotta do. Sometimes it might take 2, 3. I've even heard people say they had to do it 5 or 10 times. Just hold that home button down for 10 seconds or 15 seconds. If you don't have the LED light, I would say like 15 seconds. Sometimes it takes longer than 10 seconds. But anyway, that's it. That's all you gotta do, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope this helped. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe. It takes a little time to make these videos and put them out, you know, and it doesn't cost anything for you. So help brother out, and see you on the next one. All right, thanks a lot. Y'all have a good one. Take care.